Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. Now, to get started, you will need to open up your contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it, so this one would be located under the tools folder right over here. And once you open it up, navigate into the 4 dots and select settings, and in here choose import export. You can then select import from SIM, and this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now you can quickly select all of them by tapping right over here. If you don't want all, you can also just deselect some of them. And from there, select import, click on the phone, and that's it. The contacts have now been imported. And you should be able to see them now in your contacts list, which I can. Now they are right now duplicated just because the phone is displaying the contacts that are on the SIM card and on the phone. But if I were to take out the SIM card, which you know what I'm gonna do right now, you will see that half of them will just simply disappear. So you can see them right now. And now they're gone. So there we go. This is how you would go about importing your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.